Hello students, Meenakshi Sinha is here from Keeping in Touch with Maths and Meenakshi Sinha. Logarithm theory for class 11th. ICSE, CBSE, whatever the board type is. Question is, find the value of log of 24 with the base 2 upon log of 2 with the base 96 minus log of 192 with the base 2 upon log of 2 with the base 12 with the base 12. इसकी वैल्यूज निकालनी है. सबसे पहली बात ये है, इसमें हम ये देख रहे हैं कि हर एक का बेस चेंज है. ठीक है, सबका बेस चेंज है, लेकिन ऊपर वालों का बेस सेम है. लॉग ऑफ, हाँ, इन दोनों का बेस सेम है. ये भी 2 सेम, ये भी 2 सेम. यह 96 का बेस है, log 2 है. यह 12 का बेस है, log 2 है. इसको ऊपर करके हम बेस भी सेम कर सकते हैं. देखिए कैसे. बिकॉज वी नो दैट log of 1 upon log of 2 with the base 96, ये क्या लिखा जा सकता है? This can be written as log of 96 with the base 2 डिनोमिनेटर से न्यूमरेटर में पहुंच जाएगा डिनोमिनेटर से. डिनोमिनेटर में जाके नहीं, इसको हम क्या लिख सकते हैं? इसको लिख सकते हैं log of 24 with the base 2, ऊपर चलेगा इनटू हो जाएगा log of 96 with the base 2. now they are of the same base, एक बेस पे आ गए. ठीक है, बिल्कुल सही. माइनस इसको भी log of 192 with the base 2, इसको भी लिख सकते हैं ऊपर की तरफ सेम एज कैसा? log of 2 with the base 12, न्यूमरेटर में जाएगा 1 अपॉन है ये जब, तो ये बन जाएगा log of 12 to the base 2, बिकॉज ये डिनोमिनेटर में है, ये चेंज हो जाएगा एज पर का log table rule, logarithm rule. So in place of 1 upon log of 2 to the base 12, we can write log of 12 with the base 2. So into log of 12 with the base 2. Now everybody is having base 2. एक बात ये समझ में आई. दूसरी आप देख रहे हैं 12, 2 is 24, 12, 8 is 96. This is also divisible by 12. 192, 12 1 is 12, 12 6 is 72. It means this is also divisible by which this smallest one is log of 12 with the base 2. इसको हम x मान लेते हैं. Let log of 12 with the base 2 is equal to x. Okay, ठीक है. ओके, ये मान लो. अब देखिए क्या करें. इसको हम करते हैं, इसको लिख सकते हैं 12 पे में कन्वर्ट कर लो पहले. log of 12 into 2 with the base 2. Okay, this one. Clear? And this will be equal to log of 8 with the base 2 into 12. ठीक है, दिस इज माइनस, इसको लिख सकते हैं log of 12 into 16 with the base 2, और this is x into x, because we have supposed 12 log of 12 with the base 12 is x, इसको x लिख दिया. क्लियर? ओके, फिर से देखिए, इसकी जगह लिखा 12 into 2 log of 24 की जगह with the base 2, 96 की जगह लिखा log of 8 into 2 with the base 2, माइनस ये लगाया, 192 की जगह लिखा log of 12 into log of 16 with the base 2. This is, we have assumed x into x within inside the bracket. Okay, clear? Now, अब क्या करें? इसको लिख सकते हैं log of 2 log of 12 with the base 2, that is x, plus log of 2 to the base 2. लिख सकते हैं log of 12 with the base 2 plus log of 2 with the base 2. इसको क्या लिख सकते हैं? इसको log of 2 to the power 2 to the power 3 with the base 2 plus log of 12 with the base 2. Okay, this one. Minus this one, log of 12 with the base 2 plus 2 to the 4 to the power 4 log of 2 to the power 4 with the base 2 into x. Okay, clear? Everything is clear? अब इधर आइए, log of 12 with the base 2 we have assumed x plus log of 2 with the base 2 is equal to 1, because for any log on the same base is always equal to 1. Log of a with the base a is equal to 1, that's equal to 1 into log of 2 with the base 3, ये 3 है, 3 into 1 हो जाएगा, मल्टीपल बाहर आएगा, लॉग के आगे खड़ा होगा, log of 2 to the base 2 is equal to 1 हो जाएगा, प्लस log of 12 with the base 2 is equal to x, minus log of 12 with the base 2 is x, इसकी जगह ये, इसकी जगह ये, इसकी जगह ये, इसकी जगह ये, इसकी जगह. Okay, this is log of 2 with the base 2 is equal to 1 होता है, plus 4 the power become in front of log is equal to 4 into x. This is the situation. Now this whole equation is converted to x. x में कन्वर्ट हो गई. अब इसकी वैल्यूज निकालते हैं. क्या होगा ये? x प्लस 1 इंटू 3 प्लस एक्स माइनस x प्लस 4 इंटू एक्स. बोले इसको जी ओपन करिए. 3x प्लस 3 प्लस एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस एक्स मल्टीप्लाई किया माइनस 4x माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर minus x square and minus 4x. This x square get cancel with this. This is 3x. Sorry, this will be 3x 3x square plus x. This is plus x. So 3x plus 1x is positive 4x. Get cancelled. Only answer is 3. This will equal to this plus this. Answer is 3. This is the answer. समझ के तक चलिए फिर से करिए. Log 24 with the base 2 अपॉन log 2 with the base 96 है. इसको हमने ऊपर लेके गए तो log of 24 with the base 2 ऊपर जाने पर डिनोमिनेटर से न्यूमरेटर में जब जाता है तो बेस log बन जाती है, चेंज इंटरचेंज हो जाता है. तो इन टर्म्स ऑफ मल्टीपल दिस बिकम ऊपर आ गया, दैट इज log of 96 base 2 हो गया. Same is the case over here. Minus log of 192 of with the base 2 is here. Log of 12 with the base 2 is log of 2 with the base 12 is there. ऊपर जाएगा log of 12 with the base 2 हो जाएगा. ये क्लियर होगा. उसके बाद we have taken that all the bases are on all the log are on the basis of 2 in the multiple of 12. तो 12 में इसको लिख दिया 12 into 2 with the base log of 2 into 96 can be written as 8 into 12 with the base 2 minus log of 192 can be written as log of 12 into 16 with the base 2 into log of 12 with the base 2 which we have assumed here is equal to x. x की जगह यहाँ लिख दिया, इसकी जगह x लिख दिया. अब इनको फिर से कन्वर्ट किया आगे. दिस 12 log of 12 with the base 2 is equal to plus log of 2 with the base 2 हो गया into log of 8 can be written as log of 2 to the power 3 with the base 2 plus because it is multiple log of 12 with the base 2 minus log of 12 with the base 2 plus log of 16 can be written as 2 to the power 4 with the base 2 into x. Clear? Now this x is what? X is equal to log of 12 with the base 2. This log of 12 with the base 2 x plus log of 2 with the base 2 single without any power, so that it will become 1 because log of a with the base a is all equal to 1 होता है, इसलिए 1 लिख दिया. Within bracket log of 2 to the power 3 with the base 2 3 become because side of the log into 1. Log of 2 with the base 2 is equal to 1 plus log of 12 with the base 2 is equal to x minus log of 12 with the base 2 is equal to x plus log of 2 with the power of 4, 4 become inside of this log into 1 हो जाएगा, that is x plus 4 into x is this. Now this is the general equation. Multiply किया, open किया, only 3 is the answer. Clear? Very much clear. Let practice this करिए. Keep in touch with me. Keep enjoying the maths. सब्सक्राइब करना और थम बेल वगैरह लगाना ना भूलिए प्लीज. हाँ, थैंक यू.